If there's one thing I don't understand, folks, is why police always act like they're in a hurry. We got a call, now you got to give up your ID. They say that with an attitude, almost in a threatening way to make you fear that you'll be arrested if you don't. And if you tell them you have rights, they'll say, what are you, anti-police? Why are you trying to make this hard? Just comply. Let's make this easy on you. One thing they're not teaching police officers at the training academy is patience. Why are they in a hurry, folks? They're on our dime. And if they somehow get overtime, they get paid for it. They don't just want the free overtime and not have to do the work, do they? One thing that I really believe that we need to advocate for is teaching police officers patience. There's a lot of people out there with medical conditions, and this video right here is a perfect example of police officers not having patience, acting like they're in a hurry, like they got to do this job in a matter of 5 minutes. Go subscribe to this new channel. Let them know I sent you. Check out this video, folks.
Right. So you see how he's grabbing? That's kind of weird. Usually they'll rake their hair.
Oh, I hate when you do that to me. I'm such a heavy sleeper. When you do what? He takes his knuckles. When he was training to be an EMT, they taught you to rake your knuckles right here on the chest.
Yeah, like this.
And it hurts bad.
You go like this. If someone's gonna wake up, they'll wake up.
I'll get there about 5.
So see, like I have an issue with that even because.
Going outside. Andy, going outside.
Nope. Hey. You do that? It's not going to be as fun. Go, excuse me. You need medical attention. Why are you taking it outside?
I don't know if you guys heard, but this man was not the only one concerned for this man's safety being hauled off by the police. There was a woman in the background asking why they're taking him out. It seems like the only ones not worried if the man's okay are the police themselves. Keep watching.
I think it would have been prudent to probably check his neck for injuries considering he hit his head on the ground, officer.
When this man sent me his video, I didn't know if I was going to share it or not until I heard him say what he said. This guy is spot on. Let this also serve as a reminder to go subscribe to him as well, folks. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that right now as well and hit the bell so you don't miss our next videos. All right, keep watching.
He might need a C-spine collar, officer. Alright, so we got car 350299, and then we have car 350120. Can I just get your guys' names and badge numbers?
Officer Whitaker, 63435.
Officer Baker, 63685. AFD is on the way. Do you have any other questions for me?
Why'd you pick up the individual off the ground without providing a C-spine collar when he hit his head on the ground?
All right. Medics are on their way.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Next time, protect the patient. Officer safety is cowardice. public safety is heroism.
That's what I like to see, folks. People picking up cameras and recording police. You guys go subscribe to Polar Press's channel. Let's go surprise him. Let's get his subscriber count up. He's only at 20 subs right now. I'd like to see if we can get him up over 1,000. He definitely deserves it. I like his approach as well. If you don't record police, folks, it's always your word against theirs. And guess who the judge and jury is going to believe? Also, if you record police, you might be able to save somebody else from a bunch of turmoil dealing with the court system if police say they did something when in fact they really didn't. It happens all the time, folks. And that's why people are fed up. If you have videos that you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at them. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a blessed day. Keep your phones handy. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Peace. Yeah, I know. We're doxing me, bro. You like your video? Yeah, you put my name out there.
You said I could.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Get out of the mud, bro. Shit. You're stepping in the mud talking to me.